With lives getting busier and busier, maximizing productive use of time is becoming increasingly more important. According to the Telegraph UK, women spend 136 days of their lives getting ready for a night out. Enough time for an astronaut to fly to the moon and back 22 times. One of the biggest wastes of time is picking out the perfect outfit for a certain occasion. Our group has chosen to tackle the daily clothing selection problem by creating a DSS to optimize this choice in line with several key constraints.
The solution to this problem is Closetology. The initial step for a new user is importing pictures of all of their items in their closet and uploading them as JPGs into a specific folder on their computer. Then, the user copy and paste the location into the designated cells within the program. To begin the process, the user should rename their images using the Rename shortcut by selecting all the files and renaming the first item A, resulting in a sequential renaming of all the other files. In order to integrate these images into the program, we have created a system of checkboxes on this interface for the user to indicate based on their personal preference for what occasions they would wear each particular item, as well as what temperatures they would wear them in. These constraints generate a unique serial number associated with each clothing item. Once all of your items have been imported into the program, clicking the Rename Files button renames every image file within the folder that contains all the images with its corresponding serial number. This is done so that the program can later pull these specific images into the display boxes on the main interface.
The user interface is very simple. The user is only prompted to enter in a choice of occasion in a drop-down menu. The current temperature is automatically taken into account through a web query that refreshes every hour. If the weather query shows the percentage of precipitation above 50%, the choice of rain boots will override any other possible shoe choice, and a reminder to take rain gear along will appear. If the temperature is lower than 45 degrees, a reminder to take along a heavy coat will be displayed. Once the user has determined for what occasion he or she would like an outfit, click the Next button to see what Closetology has generated. This outfit is determined by matching possible serial codes, given the constraints of occasion and weather, with serial codes from the items inputted by the user. Once the 5 items are displayed, the user, depending on their personal preference, decides which items they would like to choose using the checkboxes. If the item displayed is not what the user would like to wear, he or she keeps it unchecked. Then they can press Calculate or the shortcut F9 until they see the serial number change. If after several attempts the serial number does not change, that simply means that there may not be any other options available under that category. Once the serial number does change, press the Next button to display the corresponding image. To select an outfit, click on the appropriate checkboxes. When the user has found their outfit, they click the Choose Outfit button, which records the date and the chosen components that make up the particular outfit. This enables the program to notify the user of the last time they wore that article of clothing if it happens to appear again in the future.
Using Closetology will not only help you save time, but also help you realize the full potential of your closet.